Get ready to spell words in Riley's Spelling Headquarters. Let's start.
Spelling word number 1. Spell the word because. It means for the reason that. Here's an example sentence. I smiled because I'm happy. Again, spell the word because. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
The correct spelling is B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Spelling word number 2. Spell the word before. It means earlier in time or place. Here's an example sentence. Wash your hands before you eat. Again, spell the word before. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
The correct spelling is B-E-F-O-R-E. Spelling word number 3. Spell the word beautiful. It means very pretty or pleasing to see. Here's an example sentence. The flower is beautiful. Again, spell the word beautiful. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Excellent. The correct spelling is B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Spelling word number 4. Spell the word between. It means in the space separating two things. Here's an example sentence. The ball is between the chairs. Again, spell the word between. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Great work. The correct spelling is B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Spelling word number 5. Spell the word busy. It means working hard or having a lot to do. Here's an example sentence. Mom is busy cooking. Again, spell the word busy. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Amazing. The correct spelling is B-U-S-Y.